we talked a lot about this, or touched on a little bit, which is the idea of this is the worst day of this patient's life that we're watching. And so how do you, in those moments, maintain the empathy to remember that, to make them feel heard, to make them not feel scared, but also stay detached, right? It's so hard as a parent. How do you walk that line between the empathy and not getting so involved that you're emotionally so invested?
I do think, I think everyone in this room has had, some sort of trauma, being at work and then having to go home and you have to put a different face on. You didn't just do chest compressions on this child, or you didn't just do this major surgery for someone, and you're wearing all these different hats, and that can be a really difficult thing. And I think the docuseries really highlights us being human. I think it's important that when you're in that moment and someone is having the worst day of their life, that you perform. They need you. People need you at your best. And that's what we're here for. That's what we're trained to do. And if you want to go home and you want to cry about it then, that's the time to do it then. When sometimes people need your tears then too. They need to see how hard you're working, because you are. I think all of us are in this room. So that's my take on it.
I'll just add, I think we are also a part of so many wonderful moments in life. And I think that you build up this amount of positive energy inside of you that helps you when things are a little more challenging. And I think for everyone here, that the wonderful, wonderful things, to see a newborn baby take their first breath, to see a child that you thought would never walk, to see a loved one with cancer survive that cancer and live for years and years afterwards, to see, Dr. Dolgen is here, to see someone become a Supreme Court attendant after 25 years when they were born without an esophagus that was connected. Just so many wonderful things that bring together positive energy, positive moments for us to carry forward. I know for me that's part of the optimism that keeps me coming back.
And